Welcome back to Jayasri Kadai Katha English channel, and we are making this recipe from Sadhirat Madhamgram. Today we'll be making this Thor Bhaja, which is banana stem and Katla fish with pepe, that is raw papaya and potato. Before we start this video, please like, and in the comment you can write always Jai Hind Jai Bharat. In this recipe we have got three elements. One is banana stem will be cooked with moong dal, and katla fish will be cooked with potato and raw papaya. So I have taken the banana stem, moong dal, and before that I'll be cleaning the removing all the hard part of the banana stem. Cut the banana stem into one by two, removing and scraping like this, and we'll be taking out all the string with the help of the finger, and this cannot be eaten. So this way we'll be cutting the whole of banana stem, and we'll be putting this in a water, regular water, and this is very highly nutritious. It has got calcium, it has got iron, and we'll be uh, rubbing it or breaking the banana stem with the help of the finger so that it breaks down into small pieces. We'll be washing the roasted moong dal with water till it runs clear 2 to 3 times. And in the kadai, when it becomes hot, we'll be adding nigella seed. Allowing to splutter, I'll add green chili, 2 green chili, which is 10 grams, and saute it for a while. Then add the strained washed banana stem. You can see how it was rubbed, it has broken down to really small pieces, and we will be covering it and cooking it for a while. I'll be adding the washed moong dal, and we'll be cooking it entirely for 10 minutes so that the crispiness will be attaching will be there in the dal. It should not be very well cooked. I've added salt, I've added turmeric, and this has to be cooked. I am adding ginger paste also, and little coriander powder, and saute it for a while. Then add the water. In this water, this lentil has to cook for 7 to 10 minutes. In between, I have removed the cover and then again put the lid. You can see the water has almost evaporated. When it becomes completely dry, that time we'll remove it from the fire. And I'm adding roasted jeera powder before removing it. We'll be putting in a serving dish. If you have coriander, you can garnish with the coriander. Now let's make katla fish with potato and papaya. I have already marinated the fish with turmeric and salt, and have already boiled the potato and raw papaya, which has been cut into cubes. I put the oil and then fry the fish till nice and brown, both the sides. For every beautiful fish recipe, this is the basic of cooking or frying the fish. In this manner, you have to fry the fish always. In that same fish oil, I'll put little more oil and cumin seeds. Add boiled potato and boiled raw papaya. Saute it for a while. Add little salt. Add turmeric. Add coriander powder, add red chili powder, add ginger paste, add tomatoes, which is 25 gram in weight, till it becomes dry. Should not get burned. Before that I have added water and put little more water. This is for the lunch. So we'll be eating this raw banana stem with this fish curry. So the fish curry has been boiled. I'll add the fish. I'm complete the fish curry and cooking it for another 3 to 5 minutes in a low fire because the water is already boiling. So you can, before removing, I'll add the roasted cumin powder. You can see how beautiful this fish curry is looking. I put the fish curry in a cut bowl and I'll be putting the bana- banana stem with moong dal. It looks so yummy and it has tasted really great. And it is full of vitamin, minerals, and what all the goodliness. And before we finish this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.